A former daycare teacher is sentenced to 2 years probation after being convicted last week of abusing a little boy who was in her care.
5 Investigates first reported on this case after the boy's parent reached out to us. Tonight, our Karen Anderson, after being in court for the sentencing, she joins us live. And Karen, prosecutors revealed some new information to the judge today?
That's right, Ed and Maria. During sentencing, the prosecutor revealed to the judge that other children in that classroom may have been abused at that daycare. And that was followed by the little boy's mother's powerful victim impact statement.
Our hearts break to think of the pain and the fear our son must have felt at the moment when the abuse occurred.
A mother describing the trauma her family has suffered after discovering her 3-year-old son's ears were bruised by his daycare teacher, Sophie Varatharasa, at the community Montessori school in Natick in 2021.
Our son could not defend himself. He did not have the capacity to understand what was done to him or communicate effectively what happened.
The prosecutor requested 3 years probation with conditions that Sophie Varatharasa not be allowed unsupervised access to children. She also asked the judge not to permit Sophie's sister Lucy Varatharasa, who was the director of the daycare, to be that supervisor. That's because she let Sophie return to work the day after being told the injuries were inflicted. And the prosecutor said,
during the course of the investigation of this matter, it came to light that other children had received similar ear injuries while in the defendant's classroom.
Those cases were not charged, and Lucy Varatharasa was not charged in any case. The boy's mother says this trial has been about justice and protecting others.
That our primary goal has always been that Sophie never be in a position to harm another child again.
And today, the judge ordered Sophie Varatharasa not to work with children during her probation, but didn't address the prosecutor's request for no unsupervised contact with children. Sophie Varatharasa had no comment on her sentencing today. Live in the newsroom, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.